Did you know you can make $10,000 a month on YouTube without ever showing your face? Sounds incredible, right? Well, it's totally doable. Hello and welcome to How to Easy Quick. Today, we're going to explore a simple and effective way to create a successful YouTube channel using AI. You won't need to be on camera, and I promise this tutorial is straightforward. Let's dive into how you can get started. Find a viral video. Start by finding a viral video in your niche on YouTube. Once you find a video you like, copy its URL. Create a new script with AI. Next, go to youtubetranscript.com. Paste that URL into the tool and click on Go. Once your transcript is ready, click here to copy the script. Next, open ChatGPT and ask to rephrase the script for you and paste the copied script. Then hit Enter. This will give you a brand new script that captures the essence of the original while being unique to your channel. Once done, copy the script from ChatGPT. Generate AI voiceover. Now, to create voiceover, you can use a number of AI tools. For instance, you can use 11 Labs or Play.ht or any other tool you like. Craft an engaging introduction. With your new script ready, you might start with something engaging. For instance, if your video is about pets, you could say, "Hello and welcome to our Darling Pets channel. In today's video, we'll be sharing tips to how feed your pets." This grabs attention right away. Gather your visuals. Now it's time to find visuals. Websites like pixels.com or Canva are fantastic resources for high-quality videos and images. You can find all the pets footage you need to match your script. Edit your video using CapCut. Once you have all your visuals, head over to CapCut. It's super easy to use. Import your visuals, arrange them according to your script, and start editing. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can create a professional-looking video. Post and optimize your video. After editing, upload your video to YouTube. Optimize your title, description, and tags to help it reach a wider audience. This is crucial for getting those views and making money. I hope this tutorial helps you get started on your YouTube journey. It's amazing how using AI and some simple tools can lead to great success. If you want me to make a full tutorial on using CapCut or any other part of this process, just let me know by commenting yes below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and quick tips. See you in the next one.